मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरा फर्स्ट वर्ड है शैम्पू।
शैम्पू। ओके, और कैरेक्टर का नाम?
विकी।
विक्की। बाय द वे रिपिन, इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट द स्क्रीन, मेघना आपके जुल्फों पे थोड़ा फिदा हो रही है।
ओहो। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू।
शैम्पू।
ये लॉकडाउन का
विक्की।
असर है, देखो कुछ तो फायदा होता है उसका।
ओके, तो विक्की जो है, विक्की अजीब आदमी है। ओके, अनलाइक रिपिन, विक्की के ऐसे लंबे बाल, लंबे जुल्फे बिल्कुल नहीं है। He doesn't even have as long or as short hair as me. In fact, Vicky has no hair at all on his head. Vicky टकला है, गंजा है। Okay, Vicky शाकाल। But ताजुब की बात यह है कि विकी at any given point has at least 40 bottles of shampoo in his house. तो ये तो सोचने वाली बात है, जो आदमी मतलब सर पे एक बाल नहीं है, but he has 40 bottles of shampoo in his house. So one might think, what does a guy with no hair do with shampoo? And for those of y'all who are getting not so nice thoughts, no, he's not using the shampoo to wash the hair on other parts of his body. Please. मतलब कैसे कैसे लोग आ जाते हैं शो पे। Anyways, case, no, that's not what he does. Vicky, actually Vicky को किसी ने, see the problem in life is that most people को कुछ ना कुछ गलत फहमियां होती है, and they've been told the wrong things at some point in their life. So Vicky को किसी ने समझाया था that the smell of shampoo on a man's body is a big turn on for women. Okay, तो विक्की did not use, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, शैम्पू डालते हैं, धो देते हैं ना। Vicky would have his full bath, wear his kapda, or just before wearing his kapda would mallow the shampoo like a lotion or a cream on his body. शैम्पू ना हुआ वो विक्की के लिए एक्स डे हो गया। So now
लेडर।
Ripin, you can add a word at any time.
लेडर।
Sorry?
लेडर लेडर।
Ladder. Okay. So basically, so this story basically happened on a day, ये this is all pre-lockdown, यहाँ पर लोगों को घर पे रहना नहीं पड़ता था। तो Vicky had mellowed his shampoo and he was going out into the world, hoping कि आज वो दिन होगा, एक लड़की मेरी खुशबू सूंघेगी and magic will happen. And as he is walking on the road, see, there are sometimes कुछ लोगों के घरों में balcony type होते हैं, उसमें पौधे होते हैं first floor पे. So there was this woman on a ladder who was adjusting, वो घर से adjust करे, she wanted to put outside, so she was on the outside adjusting these plants. And किस्मत से मतलब वो हाथ टकरा गया and the flower pot fell. But Vicky correct जगह पे था, उसने flower pot धोनी की तरह फील्ड कर लिया, पकड़ लिया, फ्लावर पॉट की जान बच गई। लड़की जिसका नाम था आराधना, आराधना, अच्छा क्या,
हॉस्पिटल हॉस्पिटल हॉस्पिटल।
अरे फ्लावर पॉइंट भी बच गया, विक्की भी बच गया, तुम अस्पताल भेजने पे तो ले हुआ, चलो अस्पताल। So any which way, so Aradhana looks at Vicky and says, "You're my savior. You're my this thing. You saved my plant." So Vicky says, "I'm glad, and I'm also glad that I was in the right place." मतलब अगर सर पे गिर जाता तो मैं तो अस्पताल पहुंच जाता। And Aradhana says, "Thank you, but don't worry. अगर आपको चोट पहुंचती तो I would have only taken to the hospital and taken care of it because I'm a doctor." So in which case, Aradhana is really grateful, and she tells Vicky, "You know what? I want to say thank you. I'd like to take you out for a coffee or this thing, but unfortunately, I need to go to the hospital. मेरा shift है. But please, if you're free, अगर आपको कुछ काम नहीं है तो come with me to the hospital. हमारे हॉस्पिटल में बहुत अच्छा कैंटीन है, वहां पर हम कॉफी पियेंगे, बात करेंगे." विक्की तो उस दिन वेला था ही, so he agreed. So दोनों मिलके अस्पताल के लिए निकल गए, and they're good. Give your word.
Beard.
Beard.
Beard. Yeah.
Okay, beard. Now, कहानी में twist इस बात पे होती है कि now he has mellowed that shampoo. Okay. Unfortunately for him, shampoo has a very bad effect on Aradhana. Really bad effect. Okay. Now I'll tell you what the bad effect is in a little while. But she, through the gaadi, she has no clue. Okay, that ये आदमी shampoo मल के आया है. Okay. Now they reach the hospital and they're about to get out and go in. तभी आराधना विकी के हाथ, she holds his hand and says, you know what? I think you're a really cute guy and I'm really glad we met. And I know ये बहुत forward है and I should not this thing, but I can't help myself. And she kisses him. Okay, now he has mellowed the shampoo on his face. So when she kisses him, थोड़ा बहुत shampoo उसके face पे आ जाता है. She still doesn't know. Now they go in, they're sitting, चाय वाय आती है, समोसे आते हैं, they're eating. Suddenly Vicky notices that कुछ अजीब चीज हो रहा है. जिस लड़की के साथ अब तक वो बैठा था, बात कर रहा था, she has started to change. Because now on her face, suddenly hair is going. She's getting a beard. The problem with Aradhana is that when she comes into contact, whatever part of her comes in contact with shampoo, वहां पर बाल उगने लगते हैं. So suddenly this pretty woman is suddenly becoming a pretty bearded woman. Now Rahul is freaked out. He's like, अरे ये क्या हुआ? ये तो अभी तक normal थी. ये तो एक खूबसूरत सी लड़की थी ना. Suddenly like there is this bearded person sitting in front of me, and as they're talking, वो beard is बढ़ते जा रहा है. It's becoming more. मतलब आपके beard जितना नहीं हुआ है, but somewhere between you and me. Okay, sorry Hema, it is a bit gross. I can't help it. क्या क्या होता है दुनिया में. Next word. Let's take this story further.
Black cat.
Black cat. So any which case now, Vicky is getting a little freaked out. Vicky is like, boss, he was a little uncomfortable, so he wants to leave. So he starts to get up and he says, acha, I mean, it's a lovely having coffee and everything, but I'm sure you also need to get to work. I also need to do some work. ये वो उठा. अब विकी उस दिन शायद तो कहते हैं ना कि काली बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट दिया. तो अब तक काली बिल्ली ने उसका रास्ता काटा नहीं था. पर जब विकी उठा, उसका पैर काली बिल्ली के पूंछ पे पड़ा. And the little billy was roaming around. ना अस्पताल में भी बिल्लियां होती हैं. Let me assure you. I agree. Lockdown में पार्लर तो है नहीं है, क्या करें? And the cat screamed and scratched him. Okay, scratched him and he's like this thing and ran. Of course, Aradhana was very concerned. She comes running. Are you okay? What happened to you? ये वो. Now, ये जो पास आई, अब तक आराधना को पता नहीं था कि ये सब हुआ है. But unfortunately, जब वो इधर आई, she came, वहां पर जो कैंटीन का मेन स्टॉल था, उसके पीछे एक मिरर था. And now Aradhana could see herself in the mirror and suddenly she sees, my God, beard. And now she's looking at Vicky and she asks him,
Plant.
sorry?
Hair transplant.
What plant?
Hair transplant.
Hair transplant. And she's looking at Vicky and saying, boss, what have you done? He says, मैंने क्या किया? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. She says, have you used shampoo? Vicky's like, boss, मेरे तो बाल ही नहीं है, मैं कहाँ से shampoo use करूँगा? Okay, and he's doing this, and she grabs his hand, and she smells it, and she's like, you've put shampoo on your hand. He's like, no, not true. She takes his hand, rubs it on her hand, and देखती है बाल उग रहा. And she's like, you know what you've done. Now I've got off this beard, and now hair will grow here also. What do I do? And she's getting really angry, and she wants to beat up Vicky, and Vicky's like, कुछ please maybe we can come to some solution. आपका you, I don't have hair, you have hair, maybe we can do some exchange. Suddenly उसको idea आया, hair transplant. Cut to operation theater. आराधना अपने बाल निकाल रही है, विक्की के सर पे ट्रांसप्लांट कर रही है. So basically आराधना का बियर्ड निकल गया, उसके आर्म से बाल निकल गए, विक्की के सर पे बाल आ गए. विक्की एंड आराधना लिव हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर. और विक्की ने कभी इसके बाद शैम्पू का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया. हिंदुस्तान लीवर का बहुत बड़ा लॉस हुआ. बट
उसकी 40 बॉटल काम भी आ गई होगी ना उसके बाद. मैं कह रहा हूँ उसके वाइफ के काम आ गई होगी ना, उसके लड़की के.
अरे लड़की की नहीं, कमीना आदमी हो तुम. थैंक यू रिपिन, दैट वाज लवली.